Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, here is an incredible game deal that you can do. This is for Saturday and Saturday only at Dollar General. Today is a Saturday, March 16th. So this deal is good for today and today only, unless you get these same coupons next week, then you can do it next Saturday. But this is a game deal that I did using my 5 off 25 plus a bunch of other digital coupons. So you're going to make sure that you have your Dollar General app out and clip the coupons that I'm going to show you so that you can do the deal exactly the way that I'm going to do it. So before we get started, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscription button. Plus hit the bell right next to it. That way you get notified every time I put up a new video. All right, guys, so let's jump right into this deal. So the first thing that I grabbed was the big jug of Gain. And that is the 154 fluid ounce. That Gain will cost you $15.95. Now, you don't have to just get the original. You can get any scent that you want. Just make sure that you scan it into your app and make sure that the coupons do attach. So you want to clip this $4 digital coupon. And you see these coupons expire today. That's why I say this is a today and today only deal. And then also make sure that you clip your $5 off 30 Gain coupon. And you can use this $5 off 30 Gain coupon on any product, just about any product that is Gain scented. But if you're not sure, or just to make sure that you have the right product, scan it in the store and be sure that it attaches, okay? So there, right there, just using those two coupons is giving us $9 off. Next, I grabbed the the Gain that is a 65 fluid ounce. Now you see I grabbed the Gain Odor and Defense, but again, you can grab any scent that you want, totally up to you. That is actually priced at $7.50. And I use the $2 digital coupon that attaches, and you see also that the $5 off 30 attaches to this product also. So all of the products that you get, you want to make sure that the 5 off 30 does attach to it. Then I grabbed the Gain scented beads or fireworks, whatever you want to call them. And that is the 5 fluid ounce that I grabbed. Those are $4.50. Now, I don't have any additional coupons to attach to this, but the 5 off of 30 does attach to this. Now, let me go back for a second because some people are probably wondering, well, how are you using 2 coupons on one product? The reason I'm able to use 2 coupons on one product is because one coupon is a store coupon and the other one is a manufacturer coupon. The 5 off 30 coupon is a store coupon. And as you can see here, it says Dollar General. That's how you know that it is a store coupon. You can always combine a store coupon with a manufacturer coupon, but you cannot combine 2 manufacturer coupons. Now, the other item I grabbed, and the last and final item to bring our total up to $30 is the Gain dish detergent. And that was $2.50. And again, I don't have any manufacturer coupons that attach to this, but you can see here that the 5 off 30 does attach. Now, you should have a total of 4 digital coupons clipped so far, which is the digital coupon for the 5 off of 30 plus your digital coupon for the 65 fluid ounce of Gain and your digital coupon for the 154 fluid ounce of Gain. And last but not least, you want to make sure that you clip your 5 off 25 store coupon. So those are the 4 digital coupons that you want to have clipped. And let me show you my receipt. My total was $14.45. You guys know we're not going to discuss tax because we don't discuss tax because everyone's is different in every city, state, and borough. But my total was $30.45. I saved $16. And here is my receipt. There is the Gain dish detergent for $2.50. You see the store discount of 51 cents came off twice. The store discount are the 5 off of 30 digital coupon we use in the 5 off 25. So when you add those up, it will come up to $10. Then there you see the Gain the Gain detergent, the 65 ounce, which was $4.50. The two store coupons of 90. I'm sorry, that's not the Gain 65 ounce. That is the Gain Fireworks, for $4.50. No digital coupon, but the 2 store discounts came off of that, 92 cents each. Then there's the Gain detergent for $7.50. Store coupons of $1.12 twice came off, and then the $2 digital manufacturer coupon came off. There's the big jug of Gain for $15.95, store discount of $2.45 twice, and then the $4 manufacturer coupon, which brings my total to $14.45. So guys, this is an incredible deal, and again, just like I said, this is good on Saturday and Saturday only, number one, because the coupons expire today, Saturday, March 16th. And number two, we're using our 5 off 25. And yes, I did go to an old register in an old store. And how do you know if you're at an old store, an old register? Because they still have the keyboard attached to the register. If you're at a new store or new register, they have the touch screen. I don't know if this works at a new store or not. I'm pretty sure it does, but don't take my word for it because I didn't go there. I only went to an old register. So guys, also be sure to scan your receipt into pgrewards.com, PG Everyday Rewards.com. If you have not joined that, I will put the link in the description box. They give you 50 points for every P&G product that you purchase, and then you use those points to get gift cards. Like I always get like Starbucks gift cards and Dunkin' Donuts gift cards. You just need 750 points and you can get a $5 gift card. The points add up really, really fast. So guys, that is my video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Come back, let me know how you did your haul, because everyone's haul can be different. You can get dryer sheets, you can get all kind of different things, but let me know what you got. And until the next time, keep on saving.